Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to set up a VPS in Hostinger. So a VPS is a virtual private server, and it's often used by websites and e-commerce stores with heavy traffic loads. So it's quite simple to set up. All you need to do is open up your Hostinger account. Then we're going to go to the left-hand panel and scroll down to the bottom. So you should see a section at the bottom that says VPS. I'm going to click on there and this page will open. So you have different options. So you can set up VPS hosting. You can host your favorite games with a game panel. You have an application catalog where you can deploy popular apps, and you can use self-hosting NAN. So we're going to look at VPS hosting. So if you're not sure if it's right for you, you can click on the Learn More tab and a new page will open telling you a bit more about it. So here it tells you a little bit about what you get, and then you can scroll down to see the different VPS hosting plans and what you get with them. So have a scroll through and read through all the information to decide if it's right for you. If it is, we can go back and we can click on Set Up VPS. So this is where you're going to have to add in all your website information. So it'll pay to have all that ready. So follow through with all the instructions, and within a few minutes you'll have VPS set up. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.